Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
If a website fails to load content, removing an ad blocker often fixes the problem. Start by understanding that removal is reversible and safe for troubleshooting. Open Chrome and click the three-dot menu in the upper right corner. Select More Tools, then Extensions from the menu to open the Chrome //extensions page. This interface shows all installed extensions with their names, icons, and status. You will use this page to disable or remove the ad blocker, and later clear cache and verify site behavior. On Chrome //extensions, you have two main options: disable or remove the ad blocker. To disable temporarily, flip the blue switch next to the extension name to the off position. To uninstall, click Remove beneath the extension and confirm the removal when prompted by Chrome. If troubleshooting fails, enable developer mode to reveal the extension ID and its file path for advanced cleanup. Use the toolbar puzzle piece icon to access an extension quickly, then choose Manage Extensions for direct controls. After removing an ad blocker, restart Chrome to free memory and reset sessions. Next, clear browsing data by selecting More Tools, Clear Browsing Data, then choose Cached Images and Files and Cached Passwords if needed. Wait 1 minute after clearing cache, then reload the affected sites to confirm scripts and media load properly. If you still need selective blocking, add site exceptions, or install a privacy-focused counterpart with manual rules. Finally, update Chrome regularly and review extensions monthly to prevent future conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.